So if you want to watch The Office US in the UK or vice versa, it's actually very simple, and the same method I'm about to show you will also work on mobile and a Mac. So the first thing we need to do is go to netflix.com and you want to click on sign in the top right. You then want to go ahead and sign into your account, and you want to make sure Remember Me has been ticked, so the next time we visit Netflix we are already signed in. So once you've signed in, you should be taken to the watch page, and if you're on mobile you want to do the same thing with the Netflix app. So once you've done that, you want to close out of Netflix and you want to get a VPN. The one I like to personally use is called Private Internet Access. I can get it with the link in the description for any device. So what Private Internet Access is going to do is allow us to browse the internet from another country. So if we want to watch the US version of Netflix, we need to connect to a United States server, and then as soon as we load up Netflix, it's going to think that we're from the United States. What's also good about Private Internet Access is that it encrypts your online data, so you're not only more secure when browsing the internet, but your internet service provider cannot see what you're doing either. So as you can see, we've connected to a United States VPN server just like that. So if we go back to our web browser and search for Netflix, and then go to the netflix.com, we should already be signed in and we should be viewing the United States version of Netflix. And if you want to watch The Office, you want to click on the search bar at the top, and then just type in The Office, and it should be loaded up just here, where we can go ahead and start watching the US version of The Office, and you can apply this method to any TV show from anywhere around the world. And if you want to disconnect from the VPN server, just click on the VPN and then click on the big power button, and it will disconnect you just like that. And that is all you need to do to watch any version of Netflix from anywhere around the world. And you can also apply this method for different websites. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. Thanks for watching and have a good day.